Hi, this is Sandy with SCS Digital and the Reflex Live Loop, and today I'm going to show you how to use the two different methods of volt per octave control on the Reflex. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to record a single note in as a sample, and then I'll embellish it a little bit. And now I'll put it into infinite echo. Now what I'm going to do, I've got the rate attenuvertor cranked all the way to the right, that's positive, and I'm going to introduce a sequence coming from the modem that'll make it change in rate to play a few notes. So there it is, shifting 1 volt per octave, but it sounds kind of random. So what I'll do is use play effects to key the beginning, selectable beginning. Okay, so we'll start play effects. A little bit faster here, so it's more interesting. Okay, now I'm going to, I'll put it back into. Now play effect is still just looping. It's all over the place still. But now I'm going to trigger it with the same source. I'm going to trigger play effects with the source that is creating the notes. Now it's a little more organized. Now the cool thing about this is you can shift through play effects to different parts of the recording and make it sound different. Okay, now the only thing you gotta be careful is when you're going into play effects that you don't have the rate CV plugged in, else it'll just grab whatever, unless you want it to do that. It'll grab whatever rate happens to be playing at the time, so it could be any note, and so you don't know where it's gonna go really. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you a little bit of tight echo and using a Karplus strong live echo and shifting it with the rate CV at 1 volt per octave. And I'll turn that back a bit. Okay, I'm just going to get some drums going here. There's the original thing coming in. And we'll just swing the blend way over so we don't have to listen to the original. Now you might notice that all the top notes are missing. And that's because we're already maxed out on the rate, and it's adding that onto this. So the notes that go into the negative are pulling it down okay, but the top notes aren't, so you can shift it down. And there you have it. Now you can go for a really tight, get it really tight. Or you can use the record trigger with a fast clock on it and the rate all the way down before you start. Plug it in and it'll set the echo to a really tight. This is pretty tight, but it can actually go a lot tighter. Now we'll take the ADSR, which is a envelope signal, and we'll put it into the EQ, I guess. Now we gotta turn down the feedback because this is live, so that's actually quite a sharp attack on there, but it takes a few milliseconds for the feedback to start happening with the Karplus strung mix. And see if I can get it here. There it is. I'm on the mid band right now. Anyways, you can invert that too. Which gives you an entirely different sound. So there you have it. The two different types of volt per octave control on the Reflex.